Okay folks, we just finished cutting the 2014 Dodge Ram key, which is going to be inserted into the back of this. Just testing the key now, just so you can see that it works. Up and down with the lock. And now we're going to go into programming mode. Stand by. Okay folks, just doing this Dodge Ram key now that we have. We're going to program into the vehicle. We're currently working on the Ram here. It's a push button start, as you can see. You also have fobic that goes in the dash to turn it on as well. So we're going to start with first screen, key programming. We're going to scroll down to our Chrysler Dodge protocol. And we're going to go into by vehicle. And this is a Dodge Ram. Not sure if it's a 1500, 2500, or 3500. It doesn't actually have it labeled on the truck, but it's a big truck, so I'm guessing it's probably a 3500. We're just going to under base Ram. It's usually the same year anyway. 2014 gives the option for pin code, key, and keyless. This is a keyless start system, so we're going to write the pin code first. Let our machine do its scan. Ignition is off. System's connecting. It's talking to the body control module right now. It's telling us what the part number is and the VIN number. It automatically scans it for you. We're going to read the pin code. Sometimes this is fast, sometimes it's quick. That's when it's fast. There's our pin number right there. And now we're going to go back to our screen. And we're going to program in our entry, which on these here, usually you got to hit the button several times to program it in. And yes, you have to have a diagnostic tool to do this. You cannot do this on board programming. We're going to our next screen here to program the key in. Turn on the emergency light, turn ignition off. Well, the ignition is obviously off because we haven't started the truck yet. So we're going to put our hazard lights on. Four-way flashers are now on. Wakes up the body control module. Put the keyless in, take other keys outside because of the frequency on these. If you have earpiece on, Bluetooth or whatnot, it tends to mess up the frequency when trying to program. Tell us our part number again. And we're doing an add a keyless. We're using an add a keyless because the customer wants another key added in. They don't want it deleted in case they find it. Now we have to put our PIN number in. PIN number is now entered. If it's right, it'll work. If not, it usually won't work. So we start clicking our button to program the vehicle. Once it goes, the door locks will actuate and you'll hear the door lock cycle to click. Sometimes it takes a minute to do it. Patiently waiting. It says failure. So this is an aftermarket key these people bought from Asia online with Amazon, and it may or may not be working. I have to run some tests. Stand by. Okay, I've diagnosed the problem. I just had a bit of a weak battery in the remote. Even though we did try it, we put a new fresh battery in, and now we're going to attempt to program it again. I'm now hitting the button again, and there we go. The system is now programmed in. As you can hear, it's cycling the door locks on and off, and we're going to start the truck. New key programmed in, and she's purring like a kitty. Happy truck. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. 2014 Dodge Ram 3500 on this truck. Key programmed in, start to finish, no key code needed, job done, happy customer. Thanks again, have a great day.